Today on Cloudcover's Stirring the Pot, infused barbecue sauce. For this recipe, you will need 3/4 cup of white sugar,
1 tablespoon of molasses,
2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 cup infused honey,
1 cup of ketchup,
1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of dry mustard powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. You will start by mixing 3/4 cups of white sugar with 1 tablespoon of molasses to make brown sugar. More molasses makes a darker brown sugar for a richer flavor. Stir together until well mixed. Don't worry if the molasses clumps, it will melt during the cooking process. Next, we will add 1 cup of ketchup to a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. For spices, we have paprika, onion powder, dry mustard, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. Finally, add in the brown sugar and whisk together until smooth. Whisk in cornstarch in small intervals to reach desired thickness. Once the sauce is well combined, move it to a saucepan and heat on low until simmering. Once simmering, add 1/4 cup of THC infused honey. For a simple at-home recipe for infused honey, check out the video linked in the description below. Stir in the honey and gradually bring it to temperature by alternating on and off the heat. Now that you have a delicious infused barbecue sauce, it's time to fire up that grill. As always, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe for more content.